This tutorial will take you through the steps for doing a line profile analysis. In this, we want to use the Line Region of Interest tool, and we're going to use segmented line. What we want to do is analyze the intensity of the two channels along this filament. We're going to click and move, and doing this allows the segmented line tool to draw along this filament from one end of the cell to the other. I'm doing this very quickly, but you would probably want to do this a little bit more finely for your data analysis. Double click at the ends to finish off the line. Now underneath we've got our two channels separated into green and red channels, and we need to restore the selection onto those two channels. This can be done under Edit, Selection, Restore Selection. Now we want to plot this data. We can go Control K, which will allow us to plot the line profile. That's under Analyze, Plot Profile, Control K. We can then save this data out as a text file or an XLS file. Some other things we can do is to present the line profile as a straight line. Here we can define the width in pixels of our image, and now we have our green and red channels are overlaid along that line profile. This can be included in a figure for this data. We can also modify the line width that we want the analysis to be performed under.